welcome back to our channel Pretty Little Things. I'm Shaurya and Akriti is here. She doesn't want to shoot. I don't know why. Why? I want to sleep.
Why do you want to sleep? I got up in the morning to go to the gym and I haven't slept last night, so I want to sleep.
Okay, that is not the right reason anyway. Wait,
What? Don't tell them.
okay, so what are we doing today?
So, if you guys check out all our videos, you would notice that one of the top rated videos is about hair care do's and don'ts. So we thought of doing a similar video again, but this time it's going to be a little more personal because last time you guys kept asking us what product do you use, and we didn't really tell you guys because we thought, you know, different products suit different sort of hair, and we thought we'll just make it a general hair care do's and don'ts. This one is going to be a little more personal and we'll tell you what products we use.
So do you remember when we were kids, our moms used to literally grab us in between their two legs and then do chumpy, and then we used to run away?
I used to hate my mother touching my hair.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't let her comb my hair. I still don't comb my hair, but yeah. Basically, you guys shouldn't forget that those were the important things which our mom used to do for us.
And so the first important thing is to chumpy your hair and to oil it because our scalp needs the required massage for blood circulation, and for that we've been using the Dove hair oil. Now this one has hibiscus and argan oil. Now hibiscus is known for making your hair stronger, and argan oil is known for making your hair softer, silkier and shinier, and I have seen the difference myself. I've used it like 3-4 times now and it has made my hair pretty light and soft. And the other most important thing to do is
you must have seen girls actually put a lot of hair oil and walk outside. Even in school, I used to have girls sitting around me with a long hair and wo choti baan ke itna sara tel laga ke they used to sit, and I used to be like, why, you know, because that's not the right thing to do.
especially in summers, because if you are moving out with a lot of oil in your hair, you're attracting dust and all of the dirt, so that's not the right thing to do. When you plan to wash your hair, just apply hair oil like an hour and a half before that and let it sit for that time and then wash it off.
So ever since the time I've moved to Pune, I've realized that the water here is not very good. The water in Delhi and Mumbai is actually much better than Pune has very hard water, and it actually makes your hair go very rough and they start becoming a little thin, I feel. So I have started using L'Oreal Professional Expert's Density Advanced Shampoo. So this comes with omega-6 Nutri Complex, which actually helps in nourishing your roots. Also, this one helps in giving a good density to your hair. So if you feel that your hair are becoming a little thin and you're losing the density, this is going to actually give a good dense look to your hair. Apart from me, my husband also uses this. Like, I have seen this shampoo at my place since a long time and now I'm giving it a try. और मोहतरमा, आप अपने काले लंबे केशों में क्या लगाते हैं?
मेरे काले है ही नहीं.
ब्राउन रंग.
Brown kesh, bro. Okay, so I have recently changed my shampoo. I have now been trying the Toni & Guy Cleanse. Now this is specifically for dry hair, and it's a very mild shampoo to cleanse off your scalp easily and not ripping it off from the natural moisture. What happens with me during summer is that my scalp gets really oily, so I have to like shampoo every second day, and I can't use a very harsh shampoo, so hence I've been trying this and it's really working well for me.
So after you're done shampooing, what you need to do is use a conditioner, and it's really important to use a conditioner. So I've been using Wella Professional's Enrich Conditioner, and what happens with us is that we shoot regularly and we style our hair regularly. I love curling my hair also. So a lot of heating products are being used. I mean, I used to try not to use them before, but then I just can't push it because we're shooting so often now. So for that, my hair becomes a little dry and a little damaged. So this one actually helps in moisturizing your dry and damaged hair, and it protects your hair and gives you a lot of shine, and it moisturizes and actually nourishes your hair. So this one has been working out really well for me. Right after the time I use it, my hair starts feeling very soft immediately. So you guys give it a try.
Okay, as she said, that conditioner is a must. If you guys think that skipping on conditioner is a good idea, well, let us tell you that it's not, because especially in this kind of environment where there's so much pollution, dirt, heat, you're attracting so much dirt to your scalp. You need that kind of nourishment to your hair. So for that, I have been using the Toni & Guy Nourish conditioner. Now what this does is that because my hair is acting really dry and frizzy these days, I have been using this, and this is actually nourishing it, and it is actually helping in managing my hair because my hair is very frizzy and they're all around the place. So this one's helping me with that, and this is how the bottle looks like. Okay, so I missed one thing. So I use this while I shampoo my hair, and I know it looks a little funny.
Put it on my head now. Does it feel nice? Oh my god. This is good, yeah?
Yeah.
This is actually like somebody's...
Yeah, so basically when I shampoo my hair, I massage it well with this, and it gives a very relaxing sort of feeling, like I can go off to sleep using this. So it gives your roots the required blood circulation and makes it stronger. So I have been using this since a while now. And you guys can try it too, and you can try it too.
I wonder. So talking about hair getting frizzy, I mean Pune and Mumbai both has weather. Like abhi to theek hai, but I mean it's gonna get really humid, and then my hair, which you can see, oh nice curls and everything, like right after I do my curls, my hair become like this. Like they do not stay. Hair become frizzy and this and that. So you were also talking about hair being frizzy. So I've been using L'Oreal's Liss Control Plus. I have actually commented on a lot of people asking me what do you do for frizzy hair. This is what you need to use. This is a serum, so you wash your hair and everything and you dry it with a towel, and then you evenly distribute this all over your hair. It's going to give you shine, it's going to keep your hair moisturized, and it's going to control your hair's frizziness a lot. So you guys make sure to use this because this is an amazing product. I too have like really crazy frizzy hair, especially in the weather here, and this really helps in managing your hair.
So for the same problem of frizziness and dry hair, I've been using the argan oil from Organics. Now this one is called the argan oil of Morocco. It's a healing dry oil, and argan oil, as you all know, is really nourishing for your hair, especially for dry hair, making it smooth and very nourished. So all I need to do is, when my hair is a little damp, I need to spritz it all over and then massage it evenly all throughout, and either comb it or massage it. Any of these things would do, and then I go about blow drying my hair, and it pretty much helps me to tame my hair down, and the baby hair also is not visible. So as you all know that this one does all sort of fancy things to your hair, heating it, blow drying it, curling it, straightening it, and all of that. So you can do it, but there is one important step that goes before doing all this, and which is
you should be using a heat protectant product. So I've been using Toni & Guy's Heat Protection Mist, and it's very important to use this before you do anything to your hair, so that your hair is covered, and before you do anything, it actually locks your hair so that whatever you do over it doesn't damage your hair too much. And this comes with a nozzle, so it's really convenient to use. It's very professional, very convenient. So you have to just spray this all over your hair when your hair is a little damp, and just comb your hair through your fingers and spread it out evenly, and then you can do whatever you want to. It's a very nice product because earlier I never used to use anything on my hair. I used to do all of this. I've been like always trying things on my hair, but ever since the time I've started using this, it actually made a difference. My hair doesn't feel dry or damaged after I've done anything to my hair. So guys, give it a try.
okay, what is this?
So after you're done styling your hair, you need to make sure that your hair doesn't look dry or damaged. So for that, after you're done with everything, you take a little bit of this product. It's Toni & Guy's Shine Gloss Serum. So it gives your hair the right amount of shine, and it actually makes your hair look very moisturized and nourished, and gives that shine, so that because when that shine is missing, your hair just normally looks very
Dead.
Yeah, so you need that extra bit of touch to your hair after you're done with everything, and I've been using this for that, and it comes in a nice convenient small bottle.
So you could also use this on a regular basis right after blow drying. I mean, after that also my hair looks a little dead, so I can use that.
Yeah, and you can control your frizziness also with this. It's like a nice thing.
So I'm gonna marify it from her. So these are all the products that we've been currently using, and these are the products that are working well for both of us, especially in this weather. And I think we should do this regularly.
Yeah, I think we should keep updating you guys after every couple of months about the products that we have been using. And Nykaa is having its spring sale. So all of these products can be easily found on Nykaa's website, and
You can also find different products for your hair type. I mean, these products work well for us, but I'm pretty sure you can find different products for your hair type as well, and make the most of the sale.
and the links are all mentioned down below. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to
Like, share and subscribe to
Pretty Little Things.